When our Swiss founders, Francis Haas and Bonaventure Fry, arrived on this hill virtually empty-handed more than 150 years ago, you were there, gently breathing life into their dreams. And as the years unfolded and the campus expanded, rising costs saw their dream grow increasingly out of reach. Again, you were there, faithfully partnering with us to support the growing number of young men in search of God's will for their lives. And just this past March, when the oldest building on campus, St. Joseph Hall, tragically burned to the ground, yet again, you were there, carrying us forward and keeping the dreams of our founders alive for future generations of Sons of Calvary. Each year in October, we are thrilled to welcome more than 200 dear friends to Saint Lawrence Seminary for our Annual Benefactors Open House. The event is always a joyful celebration and a wonderful opportunity to unite and be strengthened in prayer. To break bread and take time to learn more about one another. And most importantly, to see firsthand how your generosity and prayers are helping to complete the work that God has begun here in the lives of our young men. From Saint Lawrence Seminary's earliest days, the sacrifices and generous contributions of friends like you have inspired young hearts and minds, motivating them to grow in knowledge, wisdom, and the courage to act on what is good and pleasing in God's eyes. Thank you. May our prayers for you be a small token of our immeasurable gratitude for joining with us in accomplishing what the Church and the world so desperately need, a loving ministry to all God's people.